Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings. Today is There's a Card Thursday, and we're going to be doing another great, let me bring this up, another great Halloween card. We are going to be using the, what we're going to be using for this card is we're going to be using Spooktacular Bash. For ink, we're going to be using Memento Black. We are going to be using an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Very Vanilla, and then a scrap of Very Vanilla. And then we're going to use the Monster Bash Designer Series paper, a piece 4 inches by 5 1/4. And of course, glue dots and Stampin Dimensionals. So first off, what we're going to do is we're just going to stamp the, have a Spooktacular Halloween on the scrap Very Vanilla. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just tear this piece out. Really, because Halloween is not neat, is it? Just like that, and maybe go around on the edges with black. Okay, and then I am going to make a card base out of the other Very Vanilla and attach the Designer Series paper. I love this Designer Series paper. I think it is just so cool. I'll be making a lot of Halloween cards, I guess, this year, because I love the paper. If you've gotten this paper, have you read the books? The books all have different titles, and there is also one paper that has writing on it, and you should read those. So just going to put that right like that. Put a couple pieces of Stampin Dimensionals right like that. And there you have it. Quick, easy, fast card. So remember, follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make this card is down below. I'd appreciate it if you shop for me at marytroutner.stampinup.net. Thanks for visiting. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.